Mommy's spicy. Mommy had some Molly, hotter than a soda. Molly. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. Oh my god. I get it. Please ignore my hair. Please don't ignore my makeup, however. I quite like it. I've not got any earrings in, but I'd honestly have like 15 minutes to film, not even that, so I need to hurry up. Let's get on with it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we are going to be doing a very belated look through the Pride crochet board that I have. It is literally like more than halfway past it through June, but Pride, you know, all day every day in this household. Well, to me. I'm not gonna lie, these things just scream Pride. It's basically all rainbow or all Pride flag colours, depending obviously on what flag. But yes, I'm not gonna lie, it is very rainbow driven, so I apologise if that's not what you want, but that is what I want for Pride. I want rainbow. You're probably wondering why, Mel, you're wearing black today, and I'm like, I don't have any rainbow in my wardrobe, so I thought I'd just go full black and then really rainbow eye makeup, so that's my thoughts on that one, treacles. But yeah, if that is something that you are interested in, then please keep on watching. But without further ado, let's go into it, my darlings! As usual, this video will be split up into 3 different sections. We have clothing, accessories and home decor. In the home decor section it is mainly plushes, so there's plushes in here also, but it's just under home decor. And everything that I do speak about today will be linked down below. So we're going to start off with a really strong one, probably one of my favourite things that I have found, which are these butterfly tops, but in rainbow. I need to move to the side. Or there's this one which is the lesbian flag. Absolutely adorable, and I do want to make one. I think I'd probably do it in rainbow or in the pans colours. I am one of those people who goes around being like, I don't like labels, I hate labels. If you like labels, great. If you want to label yourself, brilliant. I personally don't. I'm just like, I like what I like. That's it. Point blank period. Whore. If I had to, then it would be pans, obviously. So yeah, although I really don't like the pans colour scheme. I don't like it. I like the lesbian colour scheme. Obviously pink, orange and white, but I don't like pans ones. I don't know, I think it's that shade of blue. I like subtle pans, that's cool, like baby pink and then like baby cream and then like baby blue. I think that'd be cool, like pink, yellow, blue, but yeah. Anyway, so if I'd say I'd probably do it in pans, that's why.
Is this not the poster child of a person who is fine?
What else do we have? We have this rainbow, oh so cute, this rainbow bralette, and it's like clouds on the bottom, so they've done like ruffled stitch on the bottom to make it look like clouds. There's this more subtle rainbow top that I thought I'd include with like granny square flower sleeves. I thought that was ultra cool, very cool. We have some cutout tops, which again, some of them have used, this is just like a sweetheart vest, it's called. I think it'd be cool in different colours, obviously, like flag colours, depending on what you want. We also have this love heart scoop neck as well, which is super duper cute. We have a blue flared top with rainbow sleeves. This granny stitch cardigan in rainbow colours again. And then obviously one thing that us gays can agree on is our love for frogs. So there's also this rainbow top, but it has little frogs on the cups, which is super duper cute and adorable. And then we just have some like random rainbow square neck tops, which are super duper cute. I love this one, how it's got the cross in the back and then every line is a different like colour of the rainbow, obviously. We also have this rainbow bralette, and on the bottom there's loads of different tassels. I think that's adorable. And then we have this black top as well with tassels on again. Then we have this super duper cool like cream off-white colour vest thing, maybe, with like rainbow cups, which again, super adorable. It's like a little sneak of rainbow, a little glimpse of rainbow. And then there's just a couple others as well. Bum. But yeah, that is it for clothing, and now we're going to move on to accessories. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie lads, I've run out of time to do this, so I'm gonna have to continue it tomorrow. So you're getting two Pride makeup looks in one. yeah, you're getting 2 Pride makeup looks in one. I might do the outro now though, because I really do like this makeup, so I'm probably going to do the outro now. But accessories and home decor I'm going to record tomorrow, so. Okay, so where did I get to yesterday? Accessories. Hi, it's the next day. I did butterfly makeup. It's kind of the same eyeshadow, but just different liner. So, starting off strong with a couple bandanas. I'm absolutely in love with this the colourway of this yarn. It could be individual different yarns, or it could be one yarn with the same, I've got to move to the side, with different colourways, with different colours even. Oh, but super duper cute. This is just a basic hexagon, no, basic granny stitch. Then we have these ones, which I were going to do for the market, but I just didn't have enough colours and time really. There's this granny square one as well that's blue, pink and black. I've got a couple beanies. There's this one that looks knitted, or is it crochet? It could be crochet, is it? Let's have a look. Crochet, yeah. This one again is the lesbian flag colours. Some other colours as well. I'm pretty sure this is the same beanie, but just the different colours that they do. So they do a rainbow one, and then they do one for the bisexual flag as well. Then we have like this sneak peek rainbow beanie as well, in grey and white, with then like a little burst of colour, which is super adorable. Oh, this cat beanie, absolutely amazing. I love this. I thought this was pretty funky because, again, one thing that us guys love, Doc Martens, Doc Martens, so having lasers that go into Doc Martens, but with the colour of your flag, your chosen flag. Perfect. We have this super cute bag as well. Again, lesbian colours. Like I said, I'm drawn to lesbian colours. We also have this granny stitch bag as well, which again is like a sneak. It's like, what's it called? Like a little peek of the colours, and then the rest of it is white. And then you just have the strip in the middle with the chosen flag colour. We have these water bottle holders as well. This one is the non-binary flag. Jeez. This one's the non-binary flag. This is like a waffle stitch. Is this a waffle stitch? Let me know. Is this a waffle stitch? It looks like waffle stitch. We also have this. I thought this was super duper cute. We have this dice bag. Again, for like D&D and things like that. Little nerdy gears. But yeah, thought that was super duper cute. We have some scrunchies, which is such a quick and easy project to do even when you're colour changing. I feel like scrunchies are so super quick and easy. We have these, which are super duper cool, the pride flag keychains. I love this idea of just like weaving it in onto the keychain. Adorable. I've seen these all over, the arrow earrings. These ones are just rainbow, but obviously you can switch it out for whatever colour you like. And then we also have these flower earrings. These ones are the lesbian flag. These are a little bit more subtle, I feel, if you don't want it to be like, boom, like automatically this is for pride. I feel like these are very subtle, like you can put them with any outfit. We also have this crochet bag as well. I don't need to say crochet. We have this rainbow bag, super cute, squared off. And then last but certainly not least are these cute little rainbow pins. I think these are absolutely adorable. And again, I would presume that they are pretty simple to make. But yeah, that is everything for accessories. So now I'm going to move on to home decor. There's not that much in home decor, I don't think. It's mainly super cute plushes. So yeah.
It's on.
Okay, so moving on to home decor, like I said, I've just looked and it pretty much is all plushes. So I'll do the non-plushy things first. We have this little tapestry piece, which is super duper cool because it's like a wavy pattern. It's not your squared off tapestry that you usually see, and again, just in the colours of your chosen flag. We also have these coasters starting off as a magic ring and then building your colours up, again depending on what flag you're doing. And then we also have this plant pot holder. This one's done with the, obviously, like the pride flag, like the updated pride flag. Okay, so moving on to all the plushes. Now most of these are in the flags, as in like in the flag colours, depending on which flag you want. I feel like I've said that 10,000 times already. This is just like a rainbow dinosaur, but it's got like a white fluffy base, and then it has little stripes of rainbow in there. We also have this cake. I think this is such a cool idea, like to have it as like a big friend gift, like to crochet all of the cake in like the colours of whatever your friends are. super duper cool. I feel like that's a really nice, not Friendsgiving, but if you're having like friends gathering for Pride, I feel like that's super duper cute to have them all together, and then you got to cut out your own little slice. Super cute. We also have the simple typical ghosts, but in the colour of the flag, obviously. We also have frogs, because again, queer people and frogs just go hand in hand, really. We love a good frog. I included the like, I forgot what you call them, but they're like the circular frogs with no arms and legs, and then I've also included the leggy frogs. One of these frogs has a freaking tutu on it. How adorable. How adorable. Then there's bees, and then some little mushy boys as well, where the base is white, and then the top, the toadstool's hat thing is the colour of the flag. We also have these little adorable little elephants as well, which are super duper cute. Love those, like little pocket elephants. We have these pride flag hearts. Again, I feel like these are such a cute little, not stocking filler because obviously not Christmas, but like a cute little gift, you know, like little trinket gift. If you're not wanting to do big gifts for Pride or someone's birthday, you know, it doesn't have to be Pride. These aren't Pride specific, as in like the event, just the theme, you know what I mean. I'm rambling. Anyway, and then last but certainly not least is this huge snake, and it's absolutely adorable. Obviously this is a giant one. You don't have to do a giant one, but yeah, love a good old snake. But yeah, that is everything from me today. I am gonna hand over to yesterday's Mel because I actually did the outro yesterday, which is really weird. Let me know down below which makeup look you do prefer. I think I prefer this one. My hair's also gone decently today, so that's a bonus. I just don't like the lip. I might change the lip for the TikToks. This is my TikTok, by the way, if you wanted to follow it. I don't know if I mentioned it in the outro. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now and let yesterday's Mel take back over, so bye-bye. But yeah, that is everything that I've curated in my little Pride crochet collection. It has been sat there for a while, I'm not gonna lie. I added some more last night, and then yeah. Upcoming video, like Pinterest boards, will actually already be on my Pinterest and open to the public if you did want to have a wee gander. Like if you didn't want to wait for me to do a Pinterest video on it, I've probably got a folder on it. I'll link my Pinterest down below as well as this individual board as well. Also linked down below will be the Discord, my Instagram, my TikTok, and also my Etsy, where I sell a bunch of crochet stuff that I've made. If you did have any more ideas for either Pinterest videos or like crochet vlogs, things like that, please feel free to put them down below. I have like a list in my phone of different video ideas that people have suggested and things that I'd want to do as well. So I just make my way through it depending on what I'm feeling on the day. But yeah, happy Pride everyone. Yeah, that is it from me, my lovely dumplings, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye now. Love you. Please, please.
Boys are out tonight, huh?
Is your cat making too much noise all the time? Is your cat constantly stomping around, driving you crazy?